Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all today? I'm sharing the most beautiful and amazing baby blanket designs with you guys. These are the most stylish and amazing blanket designs which I'm sharing with you. So watch my video without skipping it out till end. And if you love my content, do share it with the people as well. Look how pretty and amazing the designs are. I'm in love with the collection. I hope so. You guys would also be loving my video. Thank you for watching and supporting on my content. It really means a lot to me. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Go visit my videos if you like my videos and channel. Do share it with the people as well. I will be surely working hard for you guys and bringing on this kind of amazing and outstanding content for you on to daily basis, inshallah. Look how pretty and amazing the designs are. These are the most adorable collection of these blanket designs. I'm in love with the collection. I hope so that you guys would also be enjoying my video. Thank you for watching and supporting on my content. It really means a lot to me, and I'll surely be working hard for you guys and bringing on this kind of amazing and outstanding videos for you guys. If you have any kind of question or query, you can clarify right through me in the comment section. I'm always there to guide you and to support you. May love bless you all forever. Thank you for your unconditional love and support. If you have any suggestions or recommendations for my channel, do drop it down in the comment section. I'll be looking after them too all. Thank you for watching and supporting on my videos. It means a lot to me. May love bless you all forever. Look how beautiful and amazing the designs are. I'm in love with the collection of these beautiful and amazing baby blanket designs. These are extremely gorgeous and wonderful collection of these baby blankets. I hope so that you guys will be enjoying my video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when my new video is out. Guys, do give me honest reviews about today's video. We'll be waiting for your honest reviews. Thank you for watching. This was it for the video of today. Now it's time to say goodbye to you all. We'll be right back with some new collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Fi Amanullah. Take care.